Hello and welcome. I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like and also the subscribe button. It would help our channel to advance. Thank you very much. Today I'll show you how I cook this wonderful sea bass. It's so tender and delicious. Let's get started. Remove extra scales, wash the fish in lime or lemon. Add some crushed garlic and some fish seasoning. Place it all over the fish, also inside the fish. Add salt and pepper. And rub it all over. Stuff the inside the fish with onions, sliced garlic, lemon, and parsley. Slice the body of the fish, you don't have to. Please remember, it will help the channel if you like and subscribe. You can also share the channel, it will be much appreciated. So now I've added carrots, onions, bell peppers, and zucchini. A bit of salt and pepper and lime. Oil and a bit of water. Oh yes, it's oven ready. I did add a tad bit of water because I do not like my vegetables to be soggy, and they're perfect. Do you see how great this looks? And do you see what I did, right? I've been picking at the fish the whole time as the vegetable was cooking. It's so soft and delicious. Please try it, guys. It's really good. However, if you have children, it has lots of bones. Be very careful. Bye and enjoy.